So I decided to enter this tournament and test the strategy out in here. You see, this is like free practice, but if you're top 3, you can win the prizes. First place is like 125, second place is like 75, third place is like $50, right? So here, what I'm looking at is that resistance level that we broke, and now it's support. And I see that price created a flat level right where we were at. So I'm like, this could potentially keep going up. We are above my moving average. We are above the middle of the Keltner channel. So I'm like, yo, let me enter the trade. So I enter the trade for a 1 minute and 59 second buy. As you see, price goes through the roof and we win the trade, right? So I'm like, okay, cool. It's working in the tournament. It's working on the OTC pairs. Let's go ahead and raise the lot size. Now you see, I just took the profit amount and added that to my risk. So $19.20 is the next risk amount. So I'm going to the next pair. Now I'm looking for a specific setup, right? That way I have a higher chance of winning, because back testing and looking at this and seeing it over and over, I'm like, oh, this makes sense. So as I'm scrolling through pairs, I'm looking for this right here. So I'm like, oh, it created a flat right there, right? And you look to the left, it's that resistance that we broke. We came back to retest it. So I'm like, yo, let me go ahead and enter for the buy. Now, a lot of times when you go to charts, it's not just going to be instantly ready for the trade to happen. And as you see, boom, we made it happen.com. Now, somebody may be struggling with their trading on binary. Somebody may be watching this like, yo, okay, if I can get those results, I know that my life can change. I'll feel more confident if I knew a strategy that really worked and will help me get consistent profits. Well, I'm showing you right now. Like, here's another one. So as I'm looking at the chart, I'm looking for the same exact setup, right? But this time, this one is not a buy. So what I did was I went to the next time frame. I like to go up a time frame so I can see where the market is going, so I can get in the way of the money, right? So that's why I talk about that doctor mentality. Doctors don't get paid unless they have what? Patience. So we have to have patience in our trades to understand where market going. So I'm like, okay, higher time frame confirms to me, right, from my perspective, that it's going to go down. So I wait patient for the candle to tell me, okay, I'm ready. And as you see, the candle showed me, hey, I'm going down. So I enter the trade. Now, this is the beauty of it. It's another dub, right? So if you can be patient, if you can just follow a simple step-by-step strategy and look for simple confirmations, boom. Hey now, chosen.